Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you inside our tunnels and what happens to all the water. I've been getting comment that what about the water. So today I'm going to show you where the water is stored. You can see how the water is dripping from the rock. So mostly hard rock tunneling has water accumulation, but there's a plan for it, like I'm going to show you for this one. So come with me while we roll down the 100-meter depth of this slopey tunnel. So as you can see, this place is a bit dark, but ahead there's a light that illuminate the tunnel for going down. So with this place is called a sump. You can see how water is going inside and some pipe inside the water. So what this does is the pipe inside the water take the water that's been stored inside the plate outside to the surface, and then while the other ones will continue flowing down through this gutter, as you can see. So for now we have abandoned this place because it's just the first phase as we are drilling the incline tunnel, as we are going slowly down. So that's why that one was made. You can see this one we have not constructed the steps for easy entrance. That's why it's difficult to go down. I have to go very slowly. You can see the red track. This red track, we use it to transport material and the bucket in and out. So that bulb is 20 watts AKT bulb. That is what we use to lighten up the tunnel. And wires that goes to power and the pipe that send pressure to the jackhammer that we use inside the tunnel. So just come with me. Don't forget to subscribe to ABB.MINING.30. So we are now almost down to the horizontal level. You can see this is the end of the slopey. Now we are at a flat surface. At this flat surface, we have what is called the muster point. In case of any blasting that has to, you can see this is where I just came down from. It's slopey. Then this is the horizontal level. This is the muster point. That is the jackhammer support. You can see two of them there. And then this is the ringer. It's actually a bell for communication. We use it to communicate with people outside the tunnel. If you need bucket to come down, you press the green button. The red one is for emergencies. But you can also use both for communication. As I said, this red one is for emergency and the green one is for bringing down bucket and taking out. This is the exploder that it's being used to ignite the blasting, but for now we don't use it anymore. We use the electrical distribution board. So you can see this is the main sump. It's bigger than the previous one, so it can collect more water. You can see this white pipe. We use it to take out the water to the surface, and this is the ventilation machine that send air to the operators inside. You can see different channel of rail tracks. One of the conveyor is at the safe area, not to disrupt any material coming out. So we use this bucket to fill it inside and take recovered material to the surface. So this is as a result of blasting. And you can see this dusty is material, actually lithium content. So we keep them here for later excavation. So you can see how we recover material through these holes, constructed holes. These are made for continued operation, because when you strike the vein, you need to make these openings, multiple openings actually, to be able to walk inside the vein while you are extracting more, because at it deep at 60-degree angle, so you have to continue bringing the material down like that. So this is as far as they go on this side. You can see this is ladder they use to clamp inside the vein. You can see multiple open. Why you need this multiple opening? In case another one blocks, you can use the other one to enter. You can see the material. This is a lithium content pegmatite. You see, this is how the batteries of your phone are made. From this, see a lot of water splitting everywhere, because you need water and air to be able to drill comfortably. Like this now, they have already finished drilling and they are charging the holes, drill holes for blasting. After this, we are going to set for blasting. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will show you in our next video the aftermath of this blast. So these are, you can see him choking in. You need to choke in. It's called stemming professionally. Thank you so much. Bye.